So I get this computer, this MSI laptop that comes in with no display. It also says that it has a lot of damage on the bezels or whatever, and it's just, you know, damaged. It got graveyarded. Okay, I get it. Cool. So I'm gonna check it out. I decided to check it out the same way that I usually do, plug it in and see if it has any power, and it does have power, so I feel really, really good about this. Awesome, sweet. So I open it up, check everything out, make sure everything's plugged in, put a stick of RAM in it, plug it back in, and nothing. So I don't know what's going on with it, so let's open it back up. Let's check everything out to make sure that everything works. So you start by unscrewing screws, because maybe there's a short somewhere, right? But this is the thing. What you see on this video is just a little short glimpse of everything that probably happened. Because after I got fed up with this and I checked all the voltages and everything, I actually took the whole thing completely apart, checked everything, unplugged everything, and I was pretty much fed up with it. So after screwing everything back in, I plugged it back in again, and I kind of gave up. I even changed the thermal paste. I was at a loss, a black hole. So me and the wife took a little trip to IHOP to get some coffee. Once we got our overly sugared coffee with a lot of caffeine and a lot of milk and a lot of sugar, something came to mind. And I remember that there was an HP years ago that would not turn on due to one thing being plugged in. So this happened. Yes, ladies and gents, the thing stopping this computer from turning on was a simple mouse pad connector. So I went ahead and put everything back together, plugged it in one more time after the connector was unplugged, and turned it on. And holy crap, it turns on. The NVMe decides to boot eventually, and I run my tests. Prime 95 pass, and of course, superposition pass. Well, there you have it, a working laptop.